This Windows 10 HP laptop was brought to me by a neighbor. He couldn't use it. It keeps on crashing and Windows doesn't load anymore. I tried to figure out what went wrong. Despite my repeated attempts to run this Windows 10 PC, it ended up with this so-called blue screen of death. I didn't give up. I tried some fixes, although most of those potential fixes failed. Only one method worked. I will share that with you. I hope this video will be of some benefit if you might have faced the same problem. First things first, please plug in your laptop to the power source and attach your bootable USB device to your PC. Press the power button and then go to the startup menu to access the boot menu by pressing escape key in this case. And then we press on boot menu. Then press on the boot device you have attached. In my case, it's a USB device. Your PC now boots from the flash drive. Just press on continue boot. Here comes the bootable USB device prepared for this purpose. Now select Windows 10, as we are about to repair the corrupted Windows 10 on this PC. Then boot in normal mode. Here now comes the Windows 10 installation page. Press on Next, and then press on Repair your computer. Click on Troubleshoot. Here we are at the advanced options. I have tried each one of these options, one at a time, but didn't make the PC as functional as it used to be. All of them ended up with that blue screen of death. So I only left with one option: to install Windows 10 fresh, and that's the only fix that worked. With the power cord plugged in and the bootable USB device attached to the PC, and now we power on our PC. Then press on escape key to go into the startup menu and go to the boot menu as we did before and select the bootable device already attached to your PC. And now the PC boots from the flash drive. Just press on continue boot and select Windows 10 and hit enter. Then select boot in normal mode and hit enter again. Once again, the Windows 10 installation page pops up. Click on Next. This time, click on Install Now. Select the partition you want to install Windows on. Format the partition first, and then click Next. As you can see, the installation has already begun. The PC might restart several times, and that's perfectly normal. No need to touch anything, at least for now. Now the installation is nearing its end. This time around, your attention is needed as we may need to enter or choose some parameters for finalizing the installation. Here you are requested to select your location. So you select your location and then click or press on yes. And then select your default keyboard layout, which in this case is US, and then yes. You can add a second keyboard language if you need, and you can escape if you don't. I've added Amharic keyboard and then press on next. And then click on add layout. You can now connect to the internet or skip by selecting I don't have internet and proceed. Here comes the final touch happening to make the PC fresh and functional again. Windows 10 is now ready. Installation is completed. As you can see, the newly installed Windows 10 has got all the apps which usually come with it, some complete, some that need downloading and installation. Let's see the Windows version here. Well, it says Microsoft Windows 10 version 22H2. That's exactly the one we installed from the flash drive. I hope it's better to have a PC functional at the cost of losing the data than that initial state of non-functioning PC with blue screen of death forever. Thank you for your company.